In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete Trello card checklist tasks quickly and easily. If you use Trello to manage projects, tasks, or team workflows, you probably rely on checklists inside your cards to break work down into smaller action steps. But sometimes tasks become outdated, completed elsewhere, or simply unnecessary, and you need to remove them. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the exact process so you can clean up your Trello cards in seconds. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main workspace area where all of your boards are displayed. This is where Trello organizes your projects into separate boards so you can keep everything structured and easy to manage. From here, click on the board that contains the card with the checklist task you want to delete. For example, if you're managing a content calendar, a client project, or a team sprint, select the relevant board so you can access the specific card. Once you're inside the board, locate the card that contains the checklist. Cards are organized into lists, so scroll through your lists until you find the correct one. When you find the card, click on it to open it. This will expand the card and show you all of its details, including descriptions, due dates, attachments, comments, and of course, checklists. Now, scroll down within the card until you see the checklist section. Inside the checklist, you'll see individual tasks listed one below the other. To delete a specific checklist task, hover your mouse over the item you want to remove. When you hover over the task, you'll notice a small three-dot menu icon appear to the right side of that checklist item. This is the options menu for that specific task. Go ahead and click on the three-dot menu. A small drop-down menu will appear with additional options you can take for that checklist item. From the available options, click on Delete. As soon as you click Delete, the checklist task will immediately be removed from the card. There's no complicated confirmation process, so make sure you're deleting the correct item. If you accidentally remove the wrong task, you would need to manually retype it. That's it. The checklist task is now deleted. You can repeat this same process for any other checklist items you want to remove. Just hover over the item, click the three-dot menu, and select Delete. This makes it very quick to clean up outdated or completed tasks and keep your Trello board organized and clutter-free. Keeping your checklist tidy helps improve clarity for both you and your team. It ensures that only relevant action items remain visible, which makes project tracking much more efficient. If you're working collaboratively, this also prevents confusion about which tasks are still active and which ones are no longer needed. Once you're finished deleting the checklist tasks you no longer need, you can simply click outside the card or press the close button to return to your board view. Your changes are saved automatically in Trello, so there's no need to manually save anything. Trello updates in real time, which makes task management seamless and easy. And that's how you delete Trello card checklist tasks step by step. As you can see, the process is very straightforward and only takes a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.